Namaste. 7 great reasons to attend the Day Healing Retreat next Saturday with me. Perfect wholeness. We're going to have such a lovely time. The first reason is the holistic healing that you'll experience for your body, your mind, and your spirit. Join me and experience a truly integrative approach that addresses your physical well-being, emotional balance, and spiritual depth. This day retreat offers practices that are going to harmonize every aspect of your being, paving the way for complete restoration and wholeness. Studying with me, you're getting, at minimum, 3.5 decades of study, practice, just total devotion to embodying Ayurveda, yoga, and energetic healing. You're going to explore powerful energy healing techniques, to name a few: breath work, mindset transformation, and healing hands that will help unblock stagnant energy and revitalize your life force. The third reason, deep self-discovery and inner transformation. Engage with me in introspective moments and transformative practices designed to uncover your inner knowledge. This retreat's going to create a very safe space for you to explore your inner landscape, the way to healing and embracing your authentic self. Know thyself is what I always say. Effective stress relief and mental clarity. Stepping away from the pressures of daily life and immersing yourself in practices that promote calm and mental clarity. These techniques that you're going to learn at the retreat are going to really empower you to have ways to reduce stress, quiet the mind, center your thinking, and to alleviate you into a place of renewed focus and inner peace, a feeling of ease. The fifth reason is connection with like-minded community. You can join this incredibly intelligent and supportive group of individuals who are also on a journey towards healing and self-improvement. Sharing experiences and insights with like-minded people can really empower lasting bonds, inspiring continued personal growth and evolution. 6, you're going to walk away with some practical tools for lifelong well-being. The retreat isn't just some isolated event. It equips you with practical techniques and daily practices that can carry your sadhana into your house, and you can integrate these into your life. From mindfulness to energy alignment to moments of quiet, you will leave with a toolkit for ongoing transformation. Now, to me, one of the most important reasons is such a nurturing sanctuary. In this peaceful but vibrant space at Rasa Yoga, everything is thoughtfully designed to promote relaxation, regeneration, and rejuvenation, allowing yourself to be fully present as you soak in this supportive and beautiful ambiance here, making it so much easier to connect with your inner self and experience deep and lasting healing. Join me this Saturday. Invest in your health and well-being. Whether you're seeking physical balance, more emotional stability, maybe clarity around a particular issue or spiritual insight, this retreat will be perfectly transformative and a beautiful journey toward wholeness. Join me and let's be in this together. We really are always better together. Namaste.